little white boy.
Gab or something like that.
Something like that. Bro.
I know who you talking about. Literally, bro.
It's type niggas I can't rock with or even be around, cause like I bump into you on accident, and then like we just gotta throw hands cause I did that. Tight shit.
Reckless as fuck. That boy ruthless.
Oh shit, like test them army boxing out, nigga.
Nah.
So I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. But why my shit look like this?
What it look like?
Ass.
Look, booty.
But I think you gotta like, how long you gotta do it for?
But at the same time, I don't got time for one of their ass. We need you on the field right now. Right now.
This time, if you join the army, you're touching.
Nah,
yeah.
No, yeah, most definitely.
But then the next 3 years, nigga, if you're joining the army, you might as well just say.
You might as well say hello to that field.
Start your combat training, nigga.
Oh God, like, bro, you know what's the one thing I never wanted to go to the army for? Nah, they are. I'm about to go to the valve and shit. I never wanted. What's it called? Have you ever seen when they make you go, like they tie up your legs, your arms, and they make you go in the pool, and then you gotta untie yourself?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the one thing that literally scares me.
That shit is not to be played with.
Yeah, they're feeling the fuck out of this.
They're on my dick right now, bro. Nah, they're moving weird, bro.
They are. I think Sissy's about to defeat the fuck out of this nigga, bro.
Where's Sissy?
I don't know. I'm putting on the valve right now as we speak.
Bro, they're on my ass, bro.
Just try to fall down. Fall down to a wall. Fall down to a well, bro.
Fuck, bro.
You came down?
Nah. I'm that.
Damn, bro. I see your ass. Go to the valve gate. Go to the valve gate right now. It's about to be open. I'm gonna come next to you, try to fight their ass off.
Fuck! Fuck! Nah, that shit open. Make it out, bro. I should've just went down.
Nah, yeah, they should've came down. These motherfucking cabinets and shit where we put all the screws on and shit, you know what I'm saying? And then, what else? Just simple shit like that, bro. But like, yeah, pretty much just cleaning up the shop. Cause not just that, we had to move some panels into the shop that we had no space for. And then we had to make the space for it, touch shit. And yeah, we made the space for it, and then we got them in there. And those panels I was telling you about, that crate that he made, just like, you know, without just, you know, just thinking shit. We had to put, like, we had to make space for that shit too. So yeah, you know, yeah. We made them panels too this whole week that passed. They wanted me to work Friday, but I couldn't because I had that interview with that job type shit.
Oh yeah.
And I was gonna get that check though, but I should look cute work, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Better go get that motherfucker.
Oh God, bro, but
Connie, hurry your thick ass up.
Nah, but really, like, them panels I showed you, bro, that's really what I do. Like, really what I'm supposed to be doing, bro.
I don't even know what the fuck that is. What are those panels for?
It's like pretty much like walls, bro. Like walls for like outside places. You know what I'm saying? Establishments. Yeah, they're supposed to be better than fucking drywall type shit. Like in a way, I don't know.
I remember doing drywall construction, bro. Life, bro. Life.
A life.
Come a long fucking way.
I feel that, bro. Nah, I like it though, bro, cause it's like I don't get like they got their own installers too for the field, and then they got us inside the shop type shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, yeah, like.
I'm making out this bitch. Nah, that nigga Leland running for his fucking life.
And then we have the radio on every morning, so they be talking shit on the radio too, so I just be listening to the radio while doing my job type shit. I feel like an old head when I be working, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Best thing, bro. We had the radio all the time. They be switching Mexican station and all them bitches.
Nah, I'm on, where you at?
Bridge.
Bridge? Alright, they bought me over here by a gas station. Let's see where the valve pump is at, but where the valve at?
Take off. Take off. My shit lagging like that. Fuck me. Where you at?
I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm in the house. You over there right now? Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna try to distract them as much as
Hitchhiker's over here.
Oh, touch shit.
He's about to lose me though.
I ain't gonna lie, I lost Cook, bro. That boy's stupid as fuck.
This nigga Hitchhiker on me being stupid.
I'm gonna get the valve and I'm gonna go put it on, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Connie's over here with me. I don't know what she's doing. I'm turning off the thing. Connie, if you don't get your thick ass on, man.
I'm turning the valve on right now.
Doing? Yeah, this nigga's just on me, like. Oh, this nigga Cook's here.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Run, hide if you can, bro.
Right. That.
It's on red still. I got you though. I'll let you know when that bitch is about to hit green.
Is this nigga next to me? Oh, hell.
It's about to hit it, cuz. Little like 5 more seconds, alright?
Right. Cook here!
I know, I'm going to it right now. Go to it, cuz. Go to it, cuz.
Oh, I'm here. Oh, I'm fucking here.
We out this bitch.
Right there, bit like Johnny Dane.
Oh
we
my
out there,
goodness.
bit like Johnny Dane.
Oh my goodness.
The 2 traces of hell.
I'm on. Where they at?
Just like that. Just like that. Oh,
they
Connie
suck. Is he moving like that?
I'm dead, bro. But this nigga Johnny came down here and he's picking me up and putting me on him.
Johnny
2K, here we
gang.
fucking come. 2K, here we come.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Insane, bro.
First, wait for me to get out, cause I know I'm gonna get out. Hey, where everybody else at? Anybody on top yet?
Everybody downstairs. Everybody's downstairs.
So it's bad.
You're the only one that's going up, and you're about to be. Yeah.
How the fuck was this timing at?
Might as well go now. They're all downstairs. Okay.
You're fucking weird.
She didn't see you. And you have no screwdriver. You think you're actually?
No, I know. Out the window? Maybe. It's my plan. You already know me. I bet. Doing a 5-star dash. I'm about to do a 5-star dash. No way! That's some whole shit. That's actually some whole shit, my boy. Nah, what the fuck? That's gotta be